Hey everyone, in this video, I'm going to show you on how you can cancel VEO 3 and Google One subscription. So here, you just have to open your Play Store and click on your profile at the top right corner. So here, and from here, just go ahead and select your payments and subscription. And from here, just go ahead and tap on subscriptions right here. And in here, the active one is the Google One. So if you have the VEO 3, go ahead and click on it too. So we're going to click on this one. And from here, you will see a cancel button at the top. And just have to click on that one to cancel the subscription. And from here, they will ask you for a reason. So let's just say technical issues. So it depends on you. And here, just have to take note on this. So cancel subscription, your subscription will be canceled at the end of your billing period, like that. So you just have to continue, and there you go, it is already canceled. So if you want to resubscribe it, you can also just tap on this one. So that's pretty much it. That's very quick and easy. I hope you find this video helpful. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!